You go and traffic police catches you and he is going to fine you, but maybe 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. But you said, okay, sir, please excuse me, and then I'm sorry, this and that. Okay, means legally he is going to charge you or fine you 500 or 100, 1000 rupees. But illegally you just give him 100 rupees tip and he leaves you, releases you. So somehow or other you can bypass the traffic rules or any of the rules system by bribing or this and that. But the God's law, we cannot bribe. That okay, Yamraj, you take some money and let me live for some more time. It cannot happen. So that's the harsh reality. Who is going to live when? So one reporter asked Srila Prabhupada that in India, generally the old men take sannyas. So why are you giving sannyas to young people here? So Prabhupada's reply has who is old and who is young? What do you mean by old? He couldn't say anything. He said old means one who is about to die. So can you claim for sure that you are not going to die before me and I am going to die before you just because I am elder? I am 70 years old, you are 30 years old, you are not going to die before me? He said no. So anyone can die anytime.